Today we are discussing the Cherokee Purple Tomato. The Cherokee Purple Tomato is our first seed in the 2019 free seed giveaway. At the time of this recording, we were just shy of the 4,000 subscriber mark, and I am confident we will get there before February 20th. If you don't know what I'm talking about or need that address to which you can send your self-addressed stamped envelope, check out our free seed giveaway video, linked above and in the description below. And for those waiting to see who the lucky commenter is from the Baker Creek video, we will be picking that after February 20th as well. So you have about a week and a half to comment there too. And everyone, that is a week and a half to share this video or either of those videos with everyone you know. Also, remember to give it a thumbs up below to help get more folks participating in this giveaway. Now, the Cherokee Purple Tomato has a rather unusual look to it. For the person who is new to gardening or growing heirlooms, it probably looks unappealing. It generally has clumps instead of a smooth round shape, and its flesh is a dark purple. I have grown it before myself, but it was before I started this channel. Many people count it among their favorite varieties with a strong, sweet flavor, but also with this subtle, almost smoky flavor, emblematic of the purple varieties. For heirloom growers, the Cherokee Purple has become a household name. Oddly enough, it actually got its start from the now famous, or at least famous in gardening circles, hobbyist and tomato breeder Craig LaHouler, who actually grows his tomatoes in containers on his driveway, oddly enough. He is also the best-selling author of a book entitled Epic Tomatoes: How to Select and Grow the Best Varieties of All Time, which I will link to below. He also has a book about growing in straw bales, which is an interesting thing, and I think he has some of the straw bales out on his driveway. But regardless of the tomato's origins, the exciting fact is that the Cherokee Purple Tomato is the first seed in our seed giveaway, which means all subscribers who have either already sent an envelope, and yes, they are piling up, or who send one, a self-addressed stamped envelope postmarked by February 20th, will receive at least some Cherokee Purple Tomato seeds. But I think we can do a lot more than that. So make sure you're sharing this video. And we've got about a week and a half. We've got a lot of good momentum going. So let's get it out there. And I hope that you've weathered well this cold that we've been having. And please remember to subscribe to the channel so you can participate in those giveaways, but also so you can watch some excellent gardening videos. You can check those out in some of our playlists, and hope you enjoy them.